Hello and welcome back to Building on a Budget Models. I'm Thomas. Today we're going to be unboxing this. It's the Subaru Impreza WRC 2001 in 1/24 scale by Tamiya. You can see on the front, as usual, we've got a lovely illustrated image there. It says this is number 240 in their series, highly detailed static display model, exterior and cockpit detailing, realistic chassis undersurface and suspension, solid synthetic rubber tyres with exact tread pattern. See on there, information, also image of the inside. Now this is the version from the Monte Carlo Rally. There's also a Rally of Great Britain set, which comes with night stage lights. Let's have a look inside. Got the instructions, tech tips, got some coloured clear sprues, which is unusual. We've got clear sprue, also some chrome stickers in there, a couple of small sprues in here, wheels, a couple of sprues here, decals and window masks, and also some reflective decals, blue sprue, bodywork, and tyres, mesh and polycap. This kit, as well as the paints, tools and equipment to really give it a fantastic finish, can all be purchased from Kent Models. And remember that if you use the discount code BOAB10, you'll receive 10% off your order, and every time it's used, it helps out me and the channel. Thank you very much. So here's the instructions. Soon after the adoption of the new regulations for the World Rally Championships in 1997, Subaru boldly entered their Impreza WRC. That well-balanced machine was equipped with a powerful horizontally opposed four-cylinder turbo engine and secured that year's manufacturer's title. In the following years, various improvements were made to the car in accordance with the changes in the production model. The 2001 Impreza adopted a four-door sedan body and first showed itself at the season opener, the Monte Carlo Rally. The unique appearance of the car was highlighted by small compound headlights, spoiler attached to the extreme rear, and blister-style fenders. Based on race feedback from previous Imprezas, various modifications were made to improve reliability. The engine underwent extensive tuning in an effort to boost responsiveness, and major progress was made in regard to electronic control of the semi-automatic transmission and front, centre and rear differential gearing. Finally, allowing further adjustment to course conditions, either a titanium or carbon propeller shaft could be used on the 2001 version. Subaru's ace driver Richard Burns was accompanied by Marco Martin, Petter Solberg and Toshiro Arai. Although the early part of the season proved to be a struggle, the Subaru team steadily improved in the latter part, with Burns taking second place in the Argentina Rally, Cyprus Rally and Finland Rally, and taking first place in the New Zealand Rally. Of course, Burns would go on to win that year's title, though it did prove to be his final year with Subaru as he went on to Peugeot the following year. Of course, tragically, he was forced to retire in 2003 when he was diagnosed with a brain tumour, and very sadly died not long after in 2005. So we'll start by looking at this sprue. You can see it's moulded in this blue. I've got the interior here, which is moulded as part of the undercarriage. Lots of bits of roll cage with some kind of padding included there. Got things like the vents. These go over the fog lights at the front. Also got part of the spoiler. I think that's the roof scoop there. You can see some interior detail, some undercarriage detail here, including a little bit of engine detail, and most of that will be covered up by skid plates. There's a couple of sprues here. Start on this black one here, so you can see got the door cards. That's quite nice. You can see where the roll cage will fit in. Two seats, and you've got the holes for the seat belts should you want to add them in. I think that goes around the the windscreen at the front, steering wheel, kind of the steering mechanism there, dashboard, things like radiators. These aerials are very nicely moulded. Rear view mirror, handbrake, or it might be gear shifter, I'm not sure. These are the holes for the helmets. And also we've got the bug eye headlights there. It's nice that those are separate parts. That means that you won't have to do any difficult masking. They're really nice. No flash on this 21-year-old kit. Cannot believe that 2001 was such a long time ago. And there we are, got this silver sprue here, got some brake discs, pedals, bit of the gearbox, some radiator details, exhaust, a few more sort of wires and things. I think these must be something to do with the suspension. But yeah, no flash. Here's the clips for the bonnet there, I think. It's really, really fine detail on this. I built the 99 version, but they've had clearly improved it so much just in that short time. So look at this black one first. Got some suspension parts here. I think that might be front lip, not sure. We've got this control arm for the steering. Then on this grey sprue we've got some larger discs. We've got parts of the suspension. Also got the two halves for the helmets. So that's a really nice feature. Not seen a kit that comes with driver helmets like this before, so that's cool. So we've got the wheels here, and you'll notice on the back that they're made of this grey plastic and they've actually been ready painted with gold. So I'm going to be keeping them like that. I think that matches the real ones really nicely. And they all say one, so that means they're all the same. Clear sprue here. So the windows are all one part, and then we've got some of the clear lights. There's some little lights here. The skid plates are clear as they were on the 99 version, so you can choose to paint those or you can leave them clear so that you can see the undercarriage detail. Also, these are for the night stage lights, which don't come with this kit, so that would be for the Rally of Great Britain version. And then as well in that bag we've got some little chrome transfers, so these are for the wing mirrors, the rear view mirror, and I presume that goes underneath one of the Subaru badges. So then, interestingly, unusually, we've got two coloured clear sprues. So we've got these for the indicators, which is good, and then we've got these for the tail lights. Notice you've also got gaps there because the tail lights have got some clear parts in as well, so that's unusual. I've not seen a kit with these before. I've seen ones with solid red, I guess, but not solid, the clear orange, I'd say. I won't open this one up, but you can see there we've got these kind of sort of semi-slick tyres. We've got a bit of mesh for the grille, and there's also some polycaps in there. But I won't open that, don't want to lose any. And here we are, the bodywork of the Bug Eye Impreza, as it's known. So it was quite a divisive look when it came out. I actually quite liked it myself, but yeah, you can see that's some nice moulding on there. You can see where things like the indicators need to go. Even the sort of detail around the handles is very good. You can see where these clips will need to go. There's some moulded ones here, which are a bit annoying because obviously those will need to be painted. This is not the end of the world. Yeah, so really nice. You can see here where those covers would go, whether you want to include the fog lights or not, though this one of course doesn't come with the fog lights. And these bonnet scoops will need to go on there, and the roof scoop will need to go on there. But yeah, pretty nice. And then as well as that, we've got this bag here, which has got the decals and other things in. So an unusual feature, we've actually got chrome stickers here for the backs of the lights. Now it's given sort of templates here, but they aren't cut out, so I guess you'd want to use a craft knife to do those as carefully as possible. But yeah, that's something I've not seen on Tamiya kits before. Then we've got the window masks for the front and the rear. These ones have been pre-cut, so that'll be nice and easy. Then we've got 2 sets of decals. These ones here, in that really sort of striking neon yellow colour. And you can see helpfully the cutouts for the numbers are printed over the top of those, so you're not going to get any yellow bleed through. I think that these blue ones here might be for the helmets, but yeah, that's really nice and vivid, so well printed. Yeah, very, very nice. Another decal sheet here, and this one, as you can see, it's got the numbers for the 3 drivers. That's number 5 for Richard Burns, number 6 for Marco Martin, and number 18 for Peter Solberg. And then you've also got the 3 number plates and the 3 different plates for the Rallye Monte Carlo. And yeah, so lots of great decals here, some which go on the inside, such as these sponsors here. Those go on the door cards, I believe. These OZ wheels decals which go on the inside of the wheels. Sabel seat belts. These Subaru ones here go on the helmets, I know that. Carbon fibre for the back of the seats. Little Subaru badge there. You know, really, really nice decal sheets on this. In preparation for building this kit from Kent Models, I bought some carbon fibre twill weave decal sheet from Tamiya, and I've also got some TS50 mica blue, which is the correct colour for that year's Impreza. If you look on the box, you'll notice that, for instance, the bug-eye headlights and also this lip around the front were carbon fibre, so I hope to use those carbon fibre decals to really sort of bring this up to a good finish. There we have it. This will be my next build. As I said before, if you want to buy your own, have a look on Kent Models. Use the discount code BOAB10 for 10% off. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon.